On 5th January 2023, one of Meghalaya's prominent pressure groups, the Khasi Students Union, and accompanied by members of the Ri Bhoi Youth Federation (RBYF), protested against the visit of Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar to the College of Agriculture in Ri Bhoi district of Meghalaya. The pressure groups who carried placards and other signages had openly demanded for the construction of a central agriculture university at Kyrdem Kulai in the area where 240 acres of land had been purchased for the setting up of such an institution. Speaking to newspersons, the General Secretary of the Khasi Students Union Central Executive Committee, Donald Thaba, said that the organization demands for the establishment of a central university in Ri Bhoi district, since the existing College of Agriculture is affiliated to the Central Agriculture University of Imphal in Manipur, which is against the wishes of the general public of the state.
We want CAU! We want CAU!
Job penbechwa ba kani kamdi ka CAU kamdi ka Central Agricultural University ne ka College of Agriculture ka bolong affiliated but ka Central Agricultural University ka ba dan headquarter hapo Imphal ke kani ka CAU ka bodan hapo Imphal kadan ki colleges saman lagi jela ki bahap hapo ka than chtai lamingi ni hangni hapo jelar ki dan ki colleges kum Shagaru Hills ka wai hangni but ini ki colleges kilong affiliated with ka CAU Imphal but kajinglong affiliated ki jongki but ka CAU Imphal kalong ba ki dan sini ki yo tang ka jaka andre ngipet ki samla puli ki jongi ki khana puli ki jongi ningkong shwa ibun kim yo admission hakini ki colleges kim yo admission hangte po CAU hangte ho umyam but kinong rap ru ni mi bikin de yo than kita ki jingmen toil ni take benefits na kini ki na ka CAU Imphal ngila balong but kadaw petenrai pada ka bangi wan ban protes sangi kalong namar ba u Union Minister of Agriculture and Family Farmers Welfare u Narendra Singh Tomar wan yu kejat hang ni mat ka jingwan yu kejat jungu ka di bu wan pli ya katuk ni kisnat jong ka ni ka university handrei ka badan hang ni ka mangi ong mene ka di ka COE ausam 8,000 chupau ban chupai ban kurtiang biang sedien ka central government kala submit ka proposal ba ka jela Meghalaya ka ladon kam la ka jong ka agricultural college namar ba ka Meghalaya ka di ka agrarian state ka bagbabun hi ki baim ka kamay jakpo wet di dagarap karyang te kata ka proposal klaya chakmat adu 8,000 khatsan ru ngirang yo jing tip ba ka ladon ka jing kentu na nakaliang ka Ministry of Agriculture ba de banyak no state ban pentrikam no ban yo ban seng no ya kata ka Central Agricultural University ka banamlong affiliated apo ka Imphal ndre ka banlong autonomous lek ka ba ka headquarter jongka kan dei bihang ni hapo Kyrdem Kulai ti ndre hadin nang ta kila yo ru ka jaka na po ka government of Meghalaya kani ka ba arspa sangpo ekar bakin seng ya kata ka university ndre hadin habut kat nang ya isnem bade apa deng jingkemen jingkipat ba apa deng jingkemen jing samla puli bagi nongrap bagi yo ya kata Central Agricultural University pausi kala mi insan ka khubor ba kinam seng shu ya kata ka university kinam pankha shu gi sapwe gi university hapo than stilam ini yang ne Kyrdem Kulai penban kila seng penban ka College of Agriculture ka banlong affiliated hi berkati ka CAU Imphal tegini ka jingle jong ka sarkar kalong kumba kam khinsnap kalong kumba ka khindau thala ya ka jingkular ya ki
Later, leaders and members of the KSU and the RBYF visited the Indian Center for Agricultural Research ICAR at Umyam, where the Union Minister inaugurated the Northeast Krishi Kumbh 2023 to commemorate the Institute's 49th year of establishment in the state.